Well, many economists, bankers and analysts are saying that the worst of the euro crisis is behind us. Ansgar Berke, a financial market expert at the University of Duisburg-Essen, is our studio guest today. Welcome. What do you say? Is Greece on the right track?
I think we have passed the trough, although with heavy support by the European Central Bank, which is supporting the bonds, government bonds, by announcements of purchases.
Okay, but that does not only apply to Greece, does it?
Yes, it does apply to all other southern countries like Spain, Italy, Portugal, which was successful also in approaching the capital markets and do some refunding recently.
Okay, well, but at some point there shouldn't be outside help anymore, and Greece, for example, has to stand on its own feet. However, the image of Greece, I would say, has been damaged badly during the crisis. And how could that affect future investment?
Yes, this is very obvious that the electoral uncertainty during the last year and also the low growth prospects all around in the euro area hampered growth and also confidence into the Greek economy. But on the other hand, we should very much trust in the efforts by the Greek government in order to sustain their fiscal deficit and going ahead for shortening healthcare expenditures, making them more targeted. And also what gives us some hope is that the current account is improving right now.
Right, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, ever so dim, however. Where do you see the biggest risk right now in the Eurozone?
The biggest risk is that everybody is very much relying on the ECB support, being very calm and very confident that the ECB is securing its own interest in buying bonds if it's necessary, because they will lose their value if things go wrong. And hence there is a real lender of last resort, as we call it, there. But this support and recovery for the wrong reasons in the long run, because if the ECB wants to exit, this might become very difficult and damaging for the economy. We know this from the past experience.
At the same time, of course, we also have, if you like, social problems. Spain's unemployment rate is alarmingly high. How do you see any chance that Madrid can get that problem under control again?
Spain received heavy support from the Troika, fiscal support, and also monetary support from the ECB, and they had to go through the trough. And it's very important to have flexible, even more flexible labor markets in order to allow outsiders to get back into the labor market in order to lower wages and so on. This is what Italy under Monti is proposing, to look at the German dual labor market and try to mimic this.
Well, add to the unemployment also certain scandals, political problems that overshadow both Italy to a certain extent, but certainly Spain. Is there a danger that Spain can't get that problem under control? Yes,
this is an important problem you address here, because this deals with democracy, because the German taxpayer has to be persuaded that the parliament, for instance, in Spain, does not go for higher government expenditures, and they have to pay for it. And you need certain trust that everybody plays according to the rules.
Okay, Ansgar Berke, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks.